In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now, QuickBooks Online does not allow you to permanently delete your accounts from your chart of accounts. However, you can still do this by marking each and every single account inactive, and that way you can kind of delete your chart of accounts. So go to the settings top right, and then you want to go to chart of accounts over here under your company. And then from here, you basically want to find the accounts where you want to make them inactive or delete them. Again, you can't delete all of them, but you can, of course, select some of them. And then what you have to do is basically find the account, as I said, and then you have this drop-down menu next to it. And then over here, you want to click on Make Inactive next to the accounts where you basically want to make them inactive, okay? Now, over here, you can also check multiple, and up top, as you can see, there's batch actions, and you can make multiple accounts inactive with the click of this button and then confirming it with the click of Make Inactive button over here, okay? So you can, of course, select all of them, make them inactive, and that way you are kind of deleting your chart of accounts. You're really making it inactive. However, the accounts are not going to show anymore, and you can create from scratch, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.